this is not a beach?
What the fuck? What the fuck is this?
Oh. Should we get in the water?
No.
Okay.
Get swept up by the wave, Brian. Drown.
Wow. What? So what? I'm so excited.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ajahnee. We're going to Malibu. Say hey, guys. Hey. Yeah, we say hey. Hey. Sean driving. Sean, turn around, say hey. Wait. Okay, say
turn around, say hey. Look.
Yeah.
Turn around, say hey. Yeah, let me turn around and then like crash the car.
No, Sean looks like he can drive good. And we've been in the car for like
turn around.
literally that don't hurt. Like a driver from Atlanta, you literally can like look quick and keep driving. Yeah. So yeah, I got my bathing suit on for finally. I feel like I'm like overdressed because they got outfits on and I just have a bathing suit on.
Oh, I'm not swimming.
I'm not swimming either, but I just want to look cute.
I didn't bring any bathing suits.
I brought extra clothes to change in. But y'all, it's so cute. Like, look.
Hi, Zoe. On the way there, we're stopping at Malibu Country Mart.
We're about to go get lunch.
I just want to take pictures.
I'm hungry. So when we get there, I'm gonna pick up the camera.
On the way there.
I got it from
My hair is messed because I didn't even do my lashes. What kind of camera do you have?
I give myself like gifts year round. I don't care.
Oh my god, that's the camera I want.
Oh really? I got it.
But this one's better.
It was like 800.
Oh, this one was that. Y'all, we all over the place.
We're all over the fucking place. But we look good.
We do. I'm hungry.
What you don't get to eat?
I don't know. Breakfast, lunch, dinner open. Scott's, Malibu Mart. I want to go up there and see. I'm hungry though.
Ask them how much money they have to with their sugar daddies. Oh, I smell fish. You smell that? I don't like that. I don't like raw fish. See the waist? The waist down, the ass too.
It stinks. I don't know what to get. Should I get the Malibu burger or the chili dog? You said what?
Yeah, veggie burgers. Ask her what she wants. Ask them to tell you what they want.
Oh, like they're gonna tell me right now.
What should she get?
What should I get?
Silence.
I don't know what's good.
They went in there to get healthy. I know.
But that's really like $16. So guys, this is the name that I use to order. Wait,
Buddha bowl.
Buddha bowl.
Oh, the name. Oh, it's not there. Oh,
It's not. Oh, that was good though.
Yeah.
I got a chili dog. Don't call me a fatty. They really gave me this like this. Like, let me just eat it. Let me see how I can do this. I want to taste. I should have got a regular dog, cause this is big. How do I eat this? How do I eat this?
Girl, you just gotta get messy.
With your hands.
Yeah, you just gotta get messy.
I should never got this. Look away.
Watch the shit taste good as fuck.
Don't look at me eat.
I'm not.
Yum.
Okay.
Right, I was like, it's gas.
It smells gas too.
It's good. I like it. I need some water. My water's in the car. I rate that chili dog a 10 out of 10. I had a chili dog. I ate that down before I even got to the car. My water. That chili dog was amazing. Like, I gotta come back here. They left. Yeah. Y'all, we made it to the beach. Look. It's so cute. Y'all, when we drove past, we passed the Hannah Montana house. We did.
Yeah, they were like. And Zoe back then. Yay! Friendship.
They say no alcohol.
But I forgot we got like.
You in a no alcohol. Move your big head ass. Move your head.
I would knock your camera off your hand.
No alcohol.
But that's there.
Ah!
That is good.
Oh my God, y'all! Like, look. This is so cute. And Sean said we shouldn't come here. Oh, this not a beach?
What the fuck? What the fuck is this?
Oh, never mind.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, it's so cute. Like, it's so cute. I gotta watch myself when I walk down this stuff, but it's so cute out here. Excuse me. Sorry.
You're okay.
My bad. But yeah, it's so cute. It's not like a beach, but like, it's nice. Yeah. Look at me. No. Should we get in the water?
No.
Okay. I should take my type off.
The ocean, standing there, Is it cold?
Top is cute.
But I think he is.
Right? It's okay. It's okay.
No, he's crying right now.
Yeah, he looks like he wants to.
He's crying.
Yeah. Oh.
Adrian says
Okay.
Hinge got unhinged people, so you know.
Get swept up by the wave, Ryan. Drown.
Wow.
How did it feel? How
It's
was the
so
water?
nice out here. Like,
Is it cold?
I feel at home.
It's nice.
Okay.
AJ, come get in it with me.
What am I doing?
Come with
fuck no.
Get us. No. Don't touch my fucking feet. It was cold as fuck. It's no service here.
I've been getting
Huh?
back east side.
Okay.
38, but it's good. It's in the 30s.
It's kind of cold. I don't know, Daylin. It's cold.
Is it really that cold?
Yes.
Sean, you're a liar.
It's not cold.
That is cold.
He said we walk where to get service?
Past that rocket.
Okay. It's no service. But you know, women don't do that. Look at the men over there. I wish I could show them, but.
No.
Okay, Sean. Did he just wink at me? Don't do that shit.
I can't.
Nah, Sean. Nah. No! Ah, your hands are cold. Your hands are cold. What?
I'm a girl, you have to show her.
Ew! Why are you staring at me like that? Your hands are cold. Top that with a brand new suit. Wait, I feel like I've been skipping me.
Oh, y'all have?
Y'all cheating. Y'all been skipping me.
Because we have good cars.
We're not cheating.
You need to pay attention.
They've been doing a lot of. They've been something.
Oh.
No time now.
Okay. Let me interview you. Are you a good football player?
Yeah, you know, I used to play back in the day. You know, I would went pro was for my knee and shit, but like,
okay.
we just out here having a good time.
Okay. What about you, Noah? You good? You been good with them catches. Sean, not too good. Not too good, Sean. Not too good. Not too good. It's not. You're not catching the ball. He's been catching all the balls. Oh, you're on defense? Okay, I don't know nothing about that. Hey.
Oh, my hands are so wet. I forgot.
I hate the, I like the beach, but I don't like the sand or the water. I like the scenery.
The scenery at the beach.
Yeah.
Like the sand.
Yeah, like when we was up there.
Yeah, okay.
Y'all, we're about to go to Hannah Montana. We passed where they shot Zoe 101. And now we're going to Hannah Montana.
Oh, wait, let's
We didn't know how to get in, but we figured out a way. We looked on a lot of videos of TikTok. I'm out of breath. But look, guys. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, wait. It's right there.
I got her.
We get the best of both worlds. And then da-da-da-da. Play the song, Gabby.
Best of both worlds. Best of both worlds. And you mix it all
Together, and you know we're the best of both worlds.
I said that so wrong this time.
Malibu song? And I never done it years ago.
I thought you were talking about Hannah Montana.
Oh shit, hey! Yeah, hey. Yeah, I think this gives like Malibu. That was like so cute. I liked it. I got me a picture. Yeah, we made it. After a long live view. We were like something like with the grove, but it's like next day. Yeah, this gives like Little Grove, not gonna lie. Or Big Grove. But yeah, about to go get the food. Back on the camera. Hamburgers. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Probably gonna get a sandwich. Hungry. What are you gonna get?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to figure it out.
So good. I can't wait to eat this pickle. Okay. Oh. You said what? So excited.
Looking at your face, baby girl, you a blessing. Looking at your waist, I got a chance. 'Cause you all a